overwhelming vast majority of San Diegans care about one another, and they care about doing the right thing.
The San Diego COVID-19 Community Response Fund has touched so many lives here locally. County Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says the community opened their hearts and wallets immediately to help those who've fallen on hard times during this health crisis.
And that money is going directly to our neighbors and our friends and those who are in need to try and help ease the economic anxiety around rent, utility, food.
Since the fund started last month, it's raised more than $9 million from organizations and individuals. It's distributed grants to local nonprofits like Interfaith Community Services, Meals on Wheels, and the Jacobs and Cushman San Diego Food Bank, helping thousands of families put meals on the table during these uncertain times.
Not being able to know when I'm going to be able to go back to work and how I'm going to be able to provide for my family.
The fund also helped the Tri-City Hospital Foundation purchase necessary equipment to help protect healthcare workers.
All of this equipment that's being donated makes an impact.
It's provided hunger relief for seniors and vulnerable San Diegans, but there's still so many who need help.
Coronavirus really highlights a lot of inequities in our society.
Supervisor Fletcher says areas hit hardest include the south and southeastern parts of the county. Some of these communities were already struggling.
There's so many folks that have been impacted. Our small businesses certainly have been devastated. In this time of uncertainty, when we don't know when the economy will be opened back up, we also don't know when people will want to go back as customers, even if it does open back up.
How do you think this fund is going to help people in the future?
Well, I would like to see it continue to grow. As we go through this, we're going to constantly see new needs pop up.
His message to San Diegans:
just know that we can get through this. We can work our way through this.
And Supervisor Fletcher says if you're someone who was recently laid off or if you're struggling to make ends meet, he advises you to call 211 for an overview of the most immediate resources. He urges San Diegans to stay committed to this process and to look out for each other. Back